Balancing work and life is an ongoing challenge, but it's crucial for our well-being. I've adopted several strategies to maintain a healthy equilibrium. One key strategy is setting clear boundaries. When I'm at work, I'm fully engaged in my tasks. I prioritize and manage my time efficiently. This allows me to be productive and reduces the need for overtime. Outside of work, I cherish my personal time. I engage in hobbies, spend time with loved ones, and relax. This helps me recharge and maintain a positive outlook. I've also learned to say no when necessary. Overcommitting leads to stress and burnout. By being selective about the projects I take on, I ensure I have the time and energy for what truly matters. Regular exercise is another vital component of my work-life balance. Physical activity helps reduce stress and improves my mood. I make time for it in my schedule. Finally, I regularly assess my priorities and adjust my strategies as needed. Achieving work-life balance is an ongoing process, and it's essential to adapt to changing circumstances. By following these strategies, I maintain my well-being and enjoy a fulfilling life both at work and in my personal time.